Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, brothers and sisters. We want to do a video of how you can use our M44T with maybe another speaker, another sub. You want to use it. This is for ZSOUND, but maybe you want to use it for another product, maybe L acoustic. Here you only compare L acoustic with ZSOUND. That is the only equipment you can compare with. So today we want to use our M44T to run L acoustic. So that is what we want to do now. So sit back and watch with us. Now from the first, we want to format this M44T, because before now it is programmed for all ZSOUND speakers. They are inbuilt programs only for ZSOUND speakers. But now we want to format it and put it to default. The way you format the M44T is to these three buttons, you press these three buttons. Meanwhile, it will be off. The amp will be off. Then when you press these three buttons, you press the on together. You press these three buttons at the same time with on button at the back together. So when you press it, you continue to press it, then it tell you a preset. From the preset, it will load and format the whole thing and make it to default. So now we are on default. The processor is on default now because it has been done already. So now I want to run the connection. USB. Okay, now it has been connected to the USB, then to the laptop, from the USB to the laptop. Meanwhile, you will have the software of the processor. You have the software of the processor in the laptop. So the software of the processor is M44T. The software version is M44T v1.5.2. That is the software we are using. So now when you put the USB, it will pop out. Let's go back again. When you put the USB, it will just be like this. Then you click on the software. You click on this software. You click on this, double click on it, then it will show you this. When it shows you this, you run Control D and sorry please, you press the Control D and P. Control D and P. If you press the Control D and P, it will just come to this password form. So you press 0 into 6 0000000 and enter, and press your enter. Then it will come to this part. So this part is the memory device connect to the device. Now we are going to so, but when you have done that, you wait. Then you go back to the computer. You go to computer. You're on your desktop. On your desktop, you come to the computer, to this place.
这里先调成那个 USB 模式，就 USB